Hi, I'm Danny Reeves with First to the Future TV right here in Palm Coast, Florida at the beautiful First to the Future home. And today I have a very special guest, the Vice President of First to the Future TV, Paul Barnett. Hello.
Hey, Danny. How are you?
I'm very good. Thanks for asking. Now, I can't help but notice this beautiful masterpiece we have behind us. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what we're standing in front of?
Well, this is the Ignite XL electric fireplace from Dimplex. And as you know, we have been standing in front of this beautiful fireplace a number of times during our productions here at the First to the Future home. So finally we get to focus on Dimplex's fireplace.
Yes, because she is the star. Finally, she has her moment, right?
And well deserved, right?
Very well deserved.
Yeah.
Now, it's not only beautiful, but there's so many more features to this. How is this fireplace eco-friendly?
Well, and one of the ways that it's eco-friendly and energy efficient is you have a choice of either using the heat source from the fireplace or just have it as a visual backdrop. And so there are many times, well, we're in Florida.
Yes.
And people often would like to have this visual, but they don't need the heat. So you can have that without turning on the heat source.
Or on those cold nights in Florida, you can have this on without turning on your heat, and it basically warms this entire space that we're sitting in.
Exactly.
In.
So, yeah, exactly. You don't have to have your main HVAC system on just to have this area warmed up. You can just use the heat source from the fireplace.
But not only does it do that, and it's stunning, one of my favorite features is you can change the color of the stones depending on your mood.
Yes.
Look at that.
This is being remotely controlled here in the room. And you can see, I mean, it's such a wide variety of looks that you can get. And like you say, depending on the mood, the lighting that's coming in through the windows, so many reasons that you would like to change this, and you can do it remotely.
And it looks so real. And we were just talking to Fred, the home builder of the First to the Future home, and he was telling me how easy it was to install this.
That, I mean, it is really a simple product to install. And the great thing about it also is it's only 5.5 inches deep. So you could retrofit this into an existing home in many cases because you don't have to build a big, deep cavity to put it in.
Right, so you can take it and put it in your condo. My older home that's built in the 70s, I could have something like this in there, or in a newer home.
Exactly. It's very flexible. It's very flexible for new construction, very flexible for renovation. And it is electric, but to me it's like, I mean, it looks like a flame.
It does.
From, a gas fireplace or whatever. So I think it's really kind of a forward-looking type of product.
Yeah, it is stunning, and I'm really excited that we have it in this house. It really is the star of this room, I believe. Well, thank you so much for all the great information on the Dimplex Ignite XL. I love it, and yeah, thank you so much, Paul.
Yeah, you're welcome, Danny.
Absolutely. And you're watching First to the Future TV right here in Palm Coast, Florida.